sleepovers. We're at the Pat Rafter Arena at the Brisbane International. They're doing well over here by the sounds of it, so come follow along. Woohoo! In, great little area. The chairs even have padding for the support workers. When you're at the tennis and you get dropped off either in the taxi or in your car, go along the footpath on the river side, because the other side they block it off and you can't cross over the road, so you always travel down the riverside to and from to the location for the car or taxi. We've had a great night out here at the Brisbane International. It's fully accessible, it's great, there's no elevators, it's all ramps. Thanks for watching, have a great night. Woohoo!